DotClear is a WordPress alternative free blogging app. What exactly is DotClear? DotClear is a versatile and user-friendly blog software that can be used by both novice and experienced bloggers. It offers many cool features and allows users to customize their blog according to their needs and preferences with themes and plugins. Installation is a breeze. You can do this directly from cPanel using Quick Install Apps feature. Some of the things that make DotClear so great include the ability to quickly and easily create and manage posts and pages, the wide variety of themes and templates to choose from, or you can create your own, the ability to easily add multimedia content, including photos and videos, the commenting system that allows readers to interact and engage with your content, the ability to easily create forms and surveys, and much more. Also, DotClear is constantly being updated with new features, so this is a big plus as compared to many other open source apps that rarely get updated from its developers. Overall, DotClear is a great platform for beginning bloggers, and it's simple. Okay, that's all for this DotClear video. Thank you for viewing.